Hello sir, my name is G. Sandhya Rani. My roll number is 222H1A3055, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am telling about a full semester internship review. My company name is iGenuine. Course outcomes is strong foundation in Java programming, mastery of core Java concept, problem solving with data structures, algorithmic thinking and optimization, hand off on coding skills, interview and career readiness, project development. 8 1 is code optimization and performing improvement, real world application development skills, debugging and testing technique use, build a strong foundation in Java programming. Second one is apply core Java concept effectively, solve problems using Java data structures. Fourth one, think algorithmically and optimization solutions with clean and effectively code, prepare for technical interviews confidently, develop the real world Java concept, optimization code for better performance, build real world application using Java, build a strong foundation in Java programming, debugging and test programs effectively. First one, strong foundation in Java programming. At the end of the course, I will be understanding basic syntax Java clearly. You will be able to use variables, data types, operators, and control statements like loops and conditions. I will learn how to write simple and structured Java programming in Scratch. Also, understand objects are oriented project programming concepts such as classes and objectives. The foundation will help you learn advanced topics easily and confidently. Second one, apply core Java concept effectively. You will learn important core Java features like exception handling to manage errors in programs. You will understand how to use the collections framework such as array list and hash map. You will able to perform file handling operations like reading and writing data. You will gain knowledge of multi-threading and how program multiple asked for once. This concept will help you build real world and scalable applications. Third one is solve problems using data structures. You will learn different data structures like arrays, linked list, stacks, and queues. You will understand how to organize and store data effectively. You will be able to choose the right data structure for a given problem. Look at this picture stack flow chart. Fourth one is think algorithmically and optimize solution. You will learn how to design step-by-step solution to problem using algorithms. You will understand concept like time completely and space complexity. You will be able to compare different solutions and choose the most efficient one. Fifth one is write clean and efficient code. You will learn how to write code that is easy to read and understand. You will follow paper coding students and naming convenience. You will be able to break problems into smaller reusable functions. Seventh one, develop real world Java projects. You will build projects like apps or systems using Java and DSA, helping you gain practical experience. Eighth one, optimize code for better performance. You will learn how to improve your program to run faster by choosing the right data structures and algorithms. Ninth one, build real world application using Java. You will able to create application like banking systems, student management system, etc. Tenth one is debug and test programming effectively. You will learn how to find errors or bugs in your code and fix them using debugging and testing technique use. Features of this internship is learn Java fundamentals, OOP collections, exceptions, along with core DSA topics, arrays, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graphs and recursion while practicing problem solving, optimizing time or space complexity, building small projects and solving coding problem regularly to prepare for internship. Interview preparation. Internship read line skills, project experience and coding practicing platform. Sixth one, use of learn Java and DSA. Learning Java and DSA helps you build strong programming logic and write efficient and scalable code, solve complexity problems, and prepare for software development jobs and technical interviews. Operations of this internship is an internship in Java with DSA typically involves learning, practicing, and applying coding skills through tasks such as solving DSA problems, write and debugging Java code, improving problem solving, and algorithmic thinking under guidance. This picture is look at this how Java works in DSA. Thank you.